BM Paper 1 pre release is making you feel overwhelmed, and honestly, you don't want to spend one long hour to decode that pre release. Don't worry, you are at the right place. In this video, we are going to decode Paper 1 pre release in the easiest way possible. So, it is about a company Abraca, ABC. Key points to keep in your mind: it is a publicly held company. It is the largest concrete producer, and the raw material it uses is limestone and clay aggregates, and it purchases it in bulk since it is the largest concrete producer. So the points that you need to keep in your mind is publicly held company, define the term publicly held company, and then pros and cons of being a publicly held company. You can just give a look at privately held company as well. Now, since it is the largest concrete producer, it is working in the secondary sector. It is a manufacturing company basically, and it has the highest market share. Highest market share means it is the market leader. What is market leader? What is market share? What is the formula for market share? What are the pros and cons of being a market leader? Next, since it is a secondary sector business, it is a capital intensive industry. It is a capital intensive business. Now, since we are purchasing the raw material in bulk, it will give the company purchasing economies of scale. Then, what is the product portfolio? And when we talk about product folio, we are talking about BCG metrics. Since it is growing, there is scope for growth. What are the methods of growth? Internal, external. What are the different methods under this? And what are the pros and cons of going for either external or internal method of growth? Also, what are the production methods that are used? For example, here mass production must be used. Then, during the research about the use of recycled products, the scientists of ABC discovered the new process to recover gold and precious material, but at the room temperature, which was earlier done at the high temperature, which is a very carbon intensive process. Now, the topics that you need to keep in your mind: circular business model, very important, BMT. Then we have diversification, since we already have concrete business, and now we are talking about the recovery of gold and precious material, precious metal. So diversification, ends of metrics. And then ethical objectives of the company, ethical objectives and CSR. Then we have the conflicts between the stakeholders. There will be less conflict since if we majorly talk about the pressure groups. Then next BMT that you need to do is SWOT analysis, steeple analysis, and then decision tree. There might be a question that there are two options that ABC can go for. Either production should be from this way or this way, this method or this method. Make a decision tree. There can be a 10 marker regarding decision tree as well. Then there is some data given regarding the e-waste. So annually 50 million tons of e-waste is found, but out of which only 20% is recycled, which makes 10 million tons. Remaining 80%, which makes 40 million tons, goes to landfill. Now ABC has established a factory in 2024. What they are doing in that, they are recovering 100 tons with weekly. 100 tons weekly they are recovering the gold and the precious material, precious metal, and they are giving it, selling it to jewelry makers. That means they are going into diversification, ends of metrics definitely, and growth, internal or external. So they are considering to increase the efficiency in the concrete business, reduce impact on environment, being more market oriented, and growth options. The topics that you can go through here: HR training, because now they are trying to be more efficient in the existing business, and then economies of scale, then lean production, since they want to achieve operational efficiencies as well. Then reduce impact on environment, cradle to cradle, being market oriented, difference between market orientation and product orientation, what are the benefits of being market oriented or product oriented, growth options, internal growth options, external growth options, what are the pros and cons of the same. I have added all the possible potential questions that can come from various units. For example, if we talk about introduction to business management, define the term publicly held company, features of it, purpose of mission statement, vision statement, external stakeholders. Similarly, we have questions from the different units here: HRM, finance and accounts, marketing, then operations management, then BM toolkit. Then we have some of the questions from the 10 markers that have possible chance to come, but yes, these can be answered with the extended case studies only. If you want me to share this PDF with you, comment PDF in the comment section. Also, if you want next video on the key terms used in the pre-release, please comment key terms and I'll make sure you get a detailed video on the meaning of the key terms that are used in the. Like, share and subscribe to watch more such videos.